Question with when is. When is lunch? When is dinner? When is the gig? When is the quiz? When is the show? When is the exam? When is the test? When is the game? When is breakfast? When is the debut? When is the debut? When is the event? When is the match? When is the party? When is the class? When is the finale? When is the launch? When is the taping? When is the lesson? When is the tryout? When is the course? When is the flight? When is the airing? When is the release? When is the seminar? When is the wedding? When is the closing? When is the opening? When is the meeting? When is the holiday? When is the arrival? When is the concert? When is the reunion? When is the webinar? When is the contest? When is the contest? When is the kickoff? When is the recital? When is the lecture? When is the filming? When is the casting? When is the casting? When is the session? When is the deadline? When is the assembly? When is the ceremony? When is the practice? When is the check-in? When is the festival? When is the farewell? When is the vacation? When is the telecast? When is the training? When is the shooting? When is the workshop? When is the premiere? When is the audition? When is the tutorial? When is the departure? When is the reception? When is the gathering? When is your birthday? When is the interview? When is the screening? When is the rehearsal? When is the recording? When is the recording? When is the broadcast? When is the checkout? When is the conference? When is the tournament? When is the assessment? When is the assessment? When is the graduation? When is the exhibition? When is the competition? When is the closing act? When is the performance? When is the live stream? When is the opening act? When is the celebration? When is the anniversary? When is the announcement? When is your appointment? When is the commencement? When is the commencement? When is the presentation? When is the grand closing? When is the movie released? When is the grand opening?